Hello, investor and trader. Welcome back to another live day trading market recap. What happened this morning? Well, this morning was pretty crazy. My platform froze into 15 minutes into trading. It's kind of funny, and that's also happened to my other friend while we were on the conference call together. Well, because I day trade with a group of people, and so one of my friends was like, "Hey, bro, my platform froze." I'm like, "Oh, it's okay, just reset it." So I had to reset mine, and unfortunately, that time was like right here. So I kind of missed it. I was waiting for Facebook, a kind of reversal signal. At this point right here, I thought it was a reversal signal, but I decided, I'm gonna wait because notice here in this moving average is way too close. One of my ideal catching a falling knife is I like when the candle move far away from these moving averages. That means it's gonna snap back up. So when I see here, like, no, this is too close. I'll wait. So glad I did wait, and then this pin bar shows up, and then this one my platform crash. So I missed this trade right here because this is a nice pop because it popped like $2, $3 pop. 1,000 shares made $3,000. You can capture down here and up there. Of course, no one can time it perfectly, but you get the idea. So then, just surfing around after that. Okay, I missed it. I'm not gonna chase. So just looking around, and eventually I go back to Facebook because I notice the candle formation is doing. So I put my buy order. Get ready to buy. Notice the stock is pushing up. It's trying to break above here. So if it breaks above here, the next target is somewhere up here, the moving averages. Of course, this moving averages will move as time goes on. It's not going to be 278. So I enter right there at the $half market order. So let's pass forward or speed up the video. And it popped pretty quickly, and I just, no, this is pretty much zoomed in. It popped over $1, so I just sell because that's my, well, that was my intention to make $1-ish per share. And there it goes. Notice I entered 55 cents. So right now I'm already up, but I was waiting for it to go a little bit higher, but no, it couldn't. Now here I suppose it made 1,300 or 200-ish, but it only has 700 because that due to wash sales. That happened because I made a Facebook trade not so long ago, I think, within a month. And if I have a loss, it carries over. Yeah, it's kind of funny. If you have any question, just DM me. I explain what more wash sale is. So now the future trade for Facebook is either make money or lose money, as in the correct number, because the wash sales kind of screw things up a little bit. So let's just go with the number. So I'm up $740. Okay, then I look around for another trade, and then I notice McDonald's. McDonald's, I'm getting a really it got my attention because McDonald's is a very slow mover. It doesn't move fast. So here I'm just checking out the daytime, the time frame of the day. To make sure everything looks good. And I noticed, 210 is pretty much a good support. So I decided to enter. Okay, I enter 1,000 shares. Sell target. Now I don't expect, McDonald go way up here. Remember that Dow is down like 300 or 400 points. So most best case $1 or near $1 pop. That's it. So let me pass forward with the video, speed up. Oh, McDonald gonna take a while, I remember. Meanwhile, waiting for McDonald to go up, I just surf around to see what else I can find. Oh, right here, I kind of missed it right here. That's a 50 cents pop, but I'm like, just let it be. So Visa got my attention, so I decided to trade Visa, and I enter on this candle right here. I thought it would pop up to $1 pretty quickly, but it didn't. So I think I got out visas pretty quickly too, like in 2 minutes or something. 'Cause I noticed that Dow is pulling back. Yeah, I want to sell at the 198 or near the 198, but unfortunately I couldn't get that order correctly. So I'm like several pennies below that. Yep, 86 cents instead of the 90 cents ish right here. So that was a quick $240 gain. Okay, now I'm going back to McDonald's. See the moving average? It began to move slowly, slowing down. So eventually I sold McDonald's pretty soon. Let's get it near the 75 cents. There we go. That's where I got out. So I end up with a day around 1600, which is not so bad for 1 hour of work. So here I go back to my just see any other position I might like trade. But I'm like, what, I think I'm done because Facebook now is between these two channels. I don't know what it's gonna do. So nope, I prefer to catch a falling knife right here, but this is already done. So now I don't know what this thing is doing. It's either going sideways or up or down. I don't know what the probability of the stocks to do. So I decided, nah, I think I'm, no more trading. So here, I think I show you guys the cues. There we go. So right here, oh, let me go back too fast. See that Dow right there? That's how I know to get out McDonald's and Visa because Visa and McDonald's are in the Dow, and that's why I got out, as you can see, because the Dow is pulling back. Same for the QQQ or the SPY. When I see the SPY is pulling back, I know Facebook gonna go down with it. So that's why I knew I need to get out of Facebook. Okay, so that's what's for day trading. Now let's go to here. Okay, the market's still open, so I want to show you guys this. Remember how I talked about yesterday about the position, how to build an account? So today, this is my sister account that those the one that follow me for a while should know that this is my sister account that I'm managing. I pretty much do all the trades here for her. So I bought some shares today for her. Let me refresh this. I think you can refresh it, right? So this is a real account. It's not Photoshop. Let me refresh it. Okay. So today I bought some AMD at this price. I bought some Visa at this price. And I bought some McDonald's at these price. These are going to be swing trade because this account right here is under 25,000. When your account is under 25,000, you're known as under the PDT rule. So the trade is very limited. So I need several days for to sell. As you can see, I enter small, right? See small position. These are not huge position. Regardless what your account size is, if your account size is small, trade small. Your account size is big and you have some experience, size up a little bit. This account is doing pretty well overall. Dang, it's laggy. People are really panicking. There we go. Show you guys the performance. So year to date, it was 12,006. Pretty bad, pretty good. I mean, pretty good. Overall, again, I only have two negative trades. You go to close position. This is where I show you the profit loss statement. Oh man, come on screen. It wouldn't. Can I bring it here? Oh, there we go. So if we go to the beginning of this account, it was created September 2020, which is like a couple months ago, until now. So this account right here is up 3,500 with two red trades. The first red was I lost 10 cents. The second trade was Amazon. I lost 68 bucks. Amazon, I just lost patience. I don't want to wait for it. So I decided to sell. So overall, she's up pretty good, Not so bad. Very consistent profits. That's what I want. I don't do crazy moves. So you may have answered, what are some crazy move or crazy trades? Well, there's a stock going on right now that's pretty damn crazy. It's a GameStop. Stock like these right here are not my cup of tea. It's just way too much risk. I don't know what's gonna do. It's fun to watch, but it's just too much risk. Look at it, it's gone parabolic. Now, look at the RSI. Oh my gosh. One thing I avoid it is parabolic because you never know when it's gonna fall. This stock is just crazy. Another one is my friend traded out today this morning. AMC, is it AMC or AMGC? I don't know. Is it this one? The theater company? Yeah, this one too. This one is also crazy. Parabolic. See, it went from $5 all the way to 25, and then just tanked. Yeah, stock like this, I don't like to mess around with. It's not my style or my strategy. So far today, I'm up 1,600, which is not so bad. I mean, my goal a day is only $1,000 in this account. So you go back to this month right here. This month, I'm up 14,000, which is not so bad. My plan was 15,000 per month. That's equivalent to 180,000 a year minimum. So January is not a bad start for this account, this day trading account. So hope you guys enjoy this video, and I guess I will see you guys tomorrow. Just repeat this all over again. Bye.